Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a huge topic for pretty much anyone who buys things online, keeping your money safe. We're going to show you exactly how to create a virtual prepaid card. Like right now, instantly. It's a fantastic way to protect your finances.
So let me ask you something, and be honest. Do you ever get that little moment of hesitation right before you type in your credit card details on a website?
Yeah.
Me too. And you know what? You're not paranoid for feeling that way. It's a totally normal concern.
And here's exactly why. We're always hearing about data breaches. And who hasn't been hit with one of those surprise subscription charges for something you totally forgot you signed up for? Plus, it's just so easy to overspend when your entire bank balance is literally one click away. Handing over your personal bank info can feel like you're giving away the keys to the castle.
But what if there was a better way, a safer, smarter way to handle all your online payments? Well, there is, and that's exactly what we're talking about today, the virtual prepaid card. So, what is this thing really? It's actually super simple. It's a digital-only card. It lives on your screen, not in your physical wallet. You load a specific amount of money onto it, and this is the most important part, it is not connected to your personal bank account in any way. That separation is everything. Let's just put them side by side for a second. With your regular bank card, if there's a data breach, your whole bank account could be at risk. With a virtual card, the only thing at risk is whatever small amount you loaded onto it. You literally can't overspend because you can only use what's there. And forget waiting a week for plastic to show up in the mail. These things are created instantly. And that instant part, that's a real game changer. So let's get right into the nuts and bolts. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how you can get your own virtual card in just a couple of minutes. We're going to do this in 5 really simple steps. First, we'll pick a provider. Then create an account, add some funds, choose the kind of card you want, and then, the best part, issue it and use it on the spot. Okay, step 1. You've got to find a provider you can trust. You're looking for a platform that gives you the card instantly, has really clear fees, and works all over the world. For this walkthrough, we're going to use CardUpNow.com as our example because they're built for exactly this kind of thing. Step 2, create your account. Now, this is nothing like opening a bank account, okay? There are no long, complicated forms. We're talking just an email and a password. And boom, you're usually on your dashboard in less than a minute. It's that fast. All right, next up, you have to add some money to your account. This is the prepaid part of the deal. Cool platforms like CardUpNow give you a bunch of options, even things like crypto, which is awesome for loading funds really fast from anywhere in the world. Once you've got money in your account, you get to choose your card. Do you need a Visa? A MasterCard? Are you going to use it for something specific like running online ads or just for signing up for different tools and subscriptions? You can pick the exact type of card that makes sense for what you're doing. And here we go, the magic moment. Step 5, you click Issue Card and bam! The full card number, the expiration date, the CVV, it all just appears right there on your screen. It's ready to use that exact second. No waiting around, no phone calls to activate it. This is what we mean by instant. So, you've got this powerful new digital tool. Now what? Where can you actually use it? Well, as you're about to see, the possibilities online are pretty much endless. This is where it gets really versatile. I mean, you can use it for your everyday online shopping, for paying for your Facebook or Google ads, for all those monthly subscriptions to software and AI tools, even for Netflix. You can even spin up a separate card for each subscription just to keep things super organized. When you boil it all down, all these features and uses, they give you one really powerful thing: complete and total control over your online spending. So let's just recap the biggest wins here. You get total spending control because, hey, you can't spend what you haven't loaded. You can track every single purchase in real time. Your security goes way up because your main bank account is never, ever exposed. And you get amazing flexibility to create and delete cards whenever you want. You know, I think this quote just absolutely nails it. Virtual prepaid cards give you control, safety, and flexibility for modern digital payments. That right there is the key takeaway. It's as simple as that. So, if you're ready to make your online life a whole lot simpler and more secure, the process is right there for you. You can get started right now on a site like CardUpNow.com. And that really just leaves us with one final question to think about. Now that you've seen how simple and safe this all is, are you ready to finally take complete control of your online payments? Thanks for tuning in.